fine, right? You already answered that question. So doing the topic for the day, Shikha.
Yeah, it is about exam result.
So how much did you score in your class 10th and 12th?
Okay,
Okay,
what I
first
have scored.
should I tell you or you will tell me? Okay, first you only tell me. Okay. Oh, what?
Okay. So yeah,
No, yeah, actually you can do one thing. You can tell me like either class 10th or 12th, like in which you have scored good. Like no, not both, but only one. Chalega. No issues with that.
actually, I have scored equally in both, in my high school and my intermediate exam. So I have found 79% in my intermediate exam and 78% in my high school. So that's
Yeah, that's
almost.
very nice. Like above 70 is so damn good. Nothing wrong in that. It's a very good score. Yeah. And score, like it doesn't matter. Marks doesn't matter at all.
Yeah, right, right. I think.
Yeah. People
What about you?
do any random guess. Just do any random guess.
I don't know. How can I guess you?
I like okay. So what do you think? Like okay, just look at my face and then just tell me that do I look like a brighter student or like a backbencher type of student?
Okay, I think mediocre.
Yes, right, mediocre student. Right. I got 85% at 85.
That's good. Better than me. You are not mediocre. That's you are best.
Like, I like scoring. Yeah, I always used to score between 80 to 90.
That's a more better. 80 to
Yeah.
90. You are a scholar student.
Arey, nahi, arey, is nothing like that, yaar. Nahi, ille, ille. Okay. So you were from CBSE board or from any state board?
State board. That's Hindi medium.
Which board? UP board?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, UP board. So in UP also, like you guys speak Bhojpuri only, or you guys or you guys speak Hindi?
Hindi. You are, in I think Bihar people they are using Bhojpuri. Some part of UP they are also using, but in my part, no. Hindi we are
But
using.
like you can understand the Bhojpuri.
I can't understand much, but I can understand a little bit.
Okay. Okay, so I will give you my introduction in Bhojpuri. So
Do you
हमारा
know?
नाम और हम छपरा के बा and something like that. I don't know like that much. I just know one two lines. You know.
So one two line I can understand easily, no problem.
Yeah.
If some,
Right.
if someone is speaking fluently Bhojpuri, so I can't understand. If you are using one or two line, so I
It's
can
just
guess.
like Hindi only. It's just like Hindi
Yeah,
only. Like हमार यानी हम
yeah,
मैं
yeah.
नाम. Yeah.
That's why I can understand, within a line, para. But if someone using continuously one to one sentence, so sometimes,
हाँ.
it takes time to
Then
understand.
the, then there's gonna be some issues, right? Yeah, right. So as a student, you used to stress about your exams or no?
Yeah, definitely. I used
Okay, so which
to,
was your favorite? Yeah, tell me.
yeah, I used to get a stress sometime, sometime be nervous, then how would be results. So it happened as a student.
It happens,
Yeah, it happens.
right? It happens with everyone, right?
Right. Yeah, what do you
What do? What
what
do I
you
think? Arey, you
yeah.
know what, Shikha, like some days, na, like for some exams, I never like. Okay, so that time I was in class 11th, and I had my PCM ka exam, and I didn't study anything. I just went there. I didn't study even a single chapter. So like that was the swag. I never used to study any chapter.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
And you got
And
you scored much better. How it happened?
I don't know. I'm talking about class 11th. Like in 12th, I used to study, but in class 11th, I wasted almost my full class 11th. Happens
Yeah,
now because 12th is a board year, so that's gonna like be rough and only you will have to study. But 11th, no one takes seriously.
yeah. Okay. Okay. What's your favorite subject? Okay. Or in school time, what was your spell?
Physics.
Physics was your favorite. Good. Good to know.
You used to hate physics?
Not hate, but you know, I had to take tuition something for physics. I was not much good, for physics. It was I liked, but yeah, numerical. This is the weakest point.
Numericals, yes. Yeah, right. Okay, so basically you're trying to say that you hate Newton Baba,
Newton.
Isaac Newton.
What I say?
No, like you can call him Newton Chacha or Newton Mama or Newton anything. I call him Newton Baba.
Okay, yeah, physics was a bit tough for me.
No, it's fine. Like everyone has their own interests and all, so it doesn't matter a lot.
Yeah, even that's why I took BSc in biology, so that there was only JBC. So there were yeah, geology, botany, and chemistry. So physics has been removed in BSc.
So you're doing BSc right now.
No, I have done.
Okay. Right now you're a
That's
science
why.
teacher or what?
Yeah,
Right now
yeah,
you're
yeah. Sorry.
right now you're a science teacher or what?
Okay, yeah, yeah. I have done, BSc, so I selected as a science. But in primary, we had to take all classes sometime due to, not sufficient teacher.
I think so, like what is the syllabus? Like yeah, you can teach every subject, right?
Yeah, right.
After eighth class, I think that things gets changed.
Okay.
Yeah,
So, are you doing, I think, your graduation right now?
last year, yes.
Okay, okay. So, in which stream are you?
Actually, I've already answered to this question a lot of times.
I think I forgot.
Yeah, have you watched my intro video on English Yari channel? English Yari's channel.
Intro? No, no, no. I
Okay,
didn't.
okay, fine. Okay. So again, do any random guess.
I don't know. I think maybe artist stream you have taken. I don't know actually.
Commerce.
Commerce. Oh my god. Because I had a sense like you are not in science stream, but I was not, confirmed that it is art or commerce.
Yeah. So how did you know that?
Uh, I think some memories are here.
Okay, right. Because during my school time, I told you that my favorite subject was physics, so that's science. Yeah, but I had opted for commerce.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah. So.
You wanna ask me?
Yeah. I was asking like, how's your college going, and what's the pandemic situation in your side?
Now to like there is new this variant Omnicron
Yeah,
or something like that.
Omicron.
Yeah,
Omicron.
whatever it is. I don't know the name of that virus or the new variant. Yeah, it's something like that only.
You know, yes, that's why I asked this question, because again, this, again that situation has arises. I think the pandemic. I don't know what will be the next step of government, what they will take.
Yeah, exactly. Like there is this news that Omicron spreads to 38 nations in less than 14 days. Is India ready for the third wave? I guess I'm ready. I'm ready for the third wave.
Okay, you are ready.
I don't have to do anything now. We just have to stay inside our house. But I feel sad for those people, who lost their jobs and all. I feel so damn sad for them.
Yeah, right. You're right. Actually, I don't know when it will be over. Continuously, we are facing. I think it's a
Maybe like it will take 1 or 2 years.
okay. Yeah,
Okay,
it
so like,
affects so much.
will you ever be able to forget 2019?
Okay. Why?
Because that time, like, Corona thing was not there, na? Like, it happened in 2020.
Yeah, right.
So, like,
Right.
that,
And no one will forget because that is the situation. This pandemic started after that, no? Right now. So still we are suffering. We are in this phase, and we don't have idea when we will be move on from this thing.
yes, no one knows.
Yeah, right. Okay.
So do you okay? So when was your last live session, or when was your last session on English Shari? Yesterday or last week, or when?
Okay. Yesterday, I think it was yesterday, but day before yesterday, yes, I have taken it after 5 to 6 days after yesterday. So from yesterday, it's today again.
Okay, that's good. That's very nice. Like you're a regular student. You're a regular,
Not
you can say,
regular.
student and teacher. Yeah.
In this week, no, in this week, this is second session.
So you're not regular.
No, no. That's why I
That's the good.
said,
Yeah, actually, no one is regular. You know, everyone. Oh man. Okay.
yeah, I think we are busy, sometimes.
I'm
So,
busy. No, I'm not
no,
busy.
we all are busy sometimes. So that's why it is
Yeah, okay,
fluctuate.
okay. In that perspective, yeah, yes. I have a lot of things to do now. You know, I think you also have a lot of things to do. Yeah, so
Right.
everyone is busy. So
I think
are you
you are.
addicted? Pardon?
What? Could you repeat?
You said something. You asked me something.
No, no, I said like, yeah, you are also busy continuously, I think, because after a long time, we are here.
So like, can you find any change in me, or I'm still the same?
Yeah. What should?
No, like as you told me that you are meeting me after a very long period of time. So like, are you able to see any changes in me, or I'm still the same person?
I think you are the same person for me. I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. Now, so like, even though we will meet after 90 years, not 90 years, but after 1 year, it will like we will be same only. Who's that
Might
person?
be.
He is staring at me, man. Arey bhai. Okay, so now he has gone. All right.
No, he's my brother.
Okay, so he's your bro. Okay, that's good thing. You know, like he was staring at. Okay, all
Yeah.
right. So our topic for the day is about exams. So like, you still want to give any exam, or you still wants to crack any examinations and all, like
I
bank or
want.
which exam?
No, no, I want to continue my teaching, so that's why I want to clear some teaching exam, like for lecturer, for and for junior post. So I'm trying for this, and still I'm continue. This year I'm doing B.Ed. So yeah, I will also have to do and take exam in I
BEd
think
in
around.
BEd in English.
Pardon, what you said?
You're doing BEd in what? You're doing
Yeah,
BEd in English or what?
yeah. The medium is English.
Okay, so that's nice. You know, you should keep on doing different things. So, are you addicted to reels, Tika? Reels, Instagram reels.
I'm not addicted, I can say, but sometimes I have tried it. So yeah, I have uploaded some.
Look at some of the reels. Like there are a
Yeah,
lot of emotional songs. You know, like whenever I open this Instagram now, I don't know emotional songs. Sometimes Arjit Singh, sometimes you also get the same thing.
yeah, I have found that kind of thing.
Yeah, always that emotional song. I don't know, because maybe Indians are emotional force. That's why.
But I also have find some funny songs.
Funny songs. It's my life. It's my life. Like there was this song.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So do you like reels?
I am addicted to reels. I watch, 7 to 8 hours reels only.
Oh my God.
That's too much, right?
Yeah, it is too much. 7 to 8 hours continuously. Oh my God. If I'll do like this, so that day I'll think like, oh my God, I have wasted my 8 to 9 hours. Yeah, I'm also wasting my time, like 1 hours, 2 hours, and one day, 2 day, it is okay. But if I'm doing, I'm just completely busy in my cell phone or my watching TV. So that time I'm thinking I'm wasting my time. Means I'm regretting for this. 1 hour, 2 hours, it is okay. 3 hours movie sometimes.
Yes, time never comes back, right?
So what's your next goal for after completing your graduation? What do you want to
It keeps changing.
do?
Not changing. It's not a permanent thing, that I want to do that only or something like that.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Whatever
What about
you,
pardon?
yeah, I said whatever you in your mind, I think you will do at the time.
Yeah, right. Because it's very difficult to find your interest. Like something you sometimes you will think that you're interested in something and then you will realize that you're not interested in that thing. You'll do something else.
Yeah, right. Actually, yes, yes. It happens, and it also happened with me after graduation. I have changed my stream, and so yeah, why not?
Uh, come to an end to this session.
Yeah, right. Okay. So, what about me? Means it's been a long time. So, is there any changing, or I'm still like that? My
So
speaking.
you're not still like that. You're no. Like I can see some changes in yourself, and like now though even your accent like it is improving day by day. Like the way how you pronounce the words that has improved a lot.
Yeah, I'm trying to do it.
And there is calmness. Like earlier you were like you are now calmed, and it's a very good thing.